Hi students, in the previous class we had seen three types of question related to clock, that is degree based, angle based, mirror and water image based. Today we will see the rest three topics related to clock. First type on your screen is coincide, or you can say overlap, or it is also called as 0 degree angle. You can see three things here, correct? In 1 hour, you can see that 0 degree angle is formed in a clock one time. In 12 hour, it is formed 11 times. And in 24 hour, it is the double of 12 hour, that is 22 times. Understanding? In 1 hour, one time the 0 degree angle is formed on a clock. On a clock. So 0 degree angle is formed. Now coincide or overlap meaning what? Meaning when the minute hand and your hour hand they coincide. Meaning this is your minute hand and this is your hour hand. So this is a 0 degree angle. This makes a 0 degree angle. When the minute hand and your hour hand overlap, it is 0 degree angle. Correct? So in 1 hour, it makes in 1 hour 0 degree angle is formed one time. In 12 hour it is formed 11 times. And in 24 hour it is formed 22 times. Very important thing you need to remember here is from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 0 degree angle it is not formed. Only from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, the 0 degree angle is not formed. That you need to remember. Rest all time, uh, whatever hour it may be, 0 degree angle can be formed. But only from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 0 degree angle is not formed. Understanding? Before going to the questions on 0 degree angle, please do subscribe to my channel, like my channel and do share my channel to your family and friends. Now let us see the questions related to coincide or overlap or 0 degree angle. So in 1 hour, one time, in 12 hour, 11 times, and in 24 hour, 22 times 0 degree angle is formed. Only from 11 to 12 o'clock, the 0 degree angle can't be formed. Understand? First question on your screen related to 0 degree angle. How many times an angle of 0 degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 1 to 5 o'clock? And the formula for this is 60 by 11 into time. This is the formula. 60 by 11 into time. And your time starts now. Try to solve it. Time up. As we know that in 1 hour, how many times 0 degree angle is formed? In 1 hour, one time 0 degree angle is formed. Correct? 1 hour, one time 0 degree angle is formed. So they have asked how many times 0 degree angle is formed between 1 to 5 o'clock. 1 to 5 o'clock. Correct? 1 to 5 o'clock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to 2, this is 1 hour. 1 hour, how many times 0 degree angle is formed? 1 time. So 1 you write. Then 2 to 3, again 1. 3 to 4, again 1. 4 to 5, again 1. Add this. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 4 times. 4 times a 0 degree angle is formed between 1 to 5 o'clock. Answer is 4. A. Second question on your screen and your timer starts now. How many times an angle of 0 degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 7 to 12 o'clock? Time up. 7 to 12 o'clock. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 hour, in 1 hour, 1 time 0 degree angle is formed, correct? And from 11 to 12 o'clock, no 0 degree angle is formed. Remembering that point? So 7 to 8, 1 time. 8 to 9, 1 time. 9 to 10, 1 time. 10 to 11, 1 time. But from 11 to 12, 0 degree angle is not formed. It can't be formed. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 4. A is the right option because from 11 to 12 o'clock, 0 degree angle can't be formed. Third question on your screen and your timer starts now. How many times 0 degree angle will be formed is not asked here. When will an angle of 0 degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 1 and 2 is asked. When the angle of 0 degree will be formed. So here in this case, you need to use the formula. Formula says 60 divided by 11 into time. Now, what time you need to take here? The first time what they have given. Now, 1 and 2 o'clock, correct? First time what they have given. Here in this case is 1. 1 o'clock is the first time. So, in place of time, you will say 1. Okay. Now, if they say 5 and 6 o'clock, then first time here will be 5. So, in place of time, 5 you will replace. Okay. So, we'll substitute the formula here. 60 divided by 11 into 1 you need to take, correct? Here 1 and 2 o'clock is there. So, first time is 1. 1 you need to take. So, it comes to 60 divided by 11. 60 divided by 11, how you will solve? 60 divided by 11. Correct? How you will solve that? Here, see the options, how they are given to you. Correct? So, how you will solve 60 divided by 11 here? See, 60 here and 11 here. Correct? 11, 11 5s are you will do 55, which will come to 5. Correct? First time, whatever they have given. First time is 1. So, 1 o'clock you will write as it is. Now, minutes. Minutes, this is 1 hour. Minutes you will write here like this. How you will write? 5. This 5 you will write here. Correct? This thing you will write here. Divide by 11. This is how you will write the minutes. Okay, so the correct answer here will be A, option A. Okay. I hope you got this. Fourth question on your screen and your timer starts now. When will an angle of 0 degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 3 and 4? Formula is 60 by 11 into time. Time, you need to take the first time which is given. Formula is 60 by 11 into time. 60 divided by 11 into 3. It is 180 divided by 11. So when you divide, correct, what you will get? 11 ones are 11, correct? You will get 70, 11 six are 66, correct? And you're getting 4. Now, 4 is the remainder, correct? 16 is what? 16 is quotient, quotient, and 11 is divisor, correct? So this you need to write in the form of what? The minutes, correct? So here, first time you need to take as hour, 3 hour. Minutes, how you will write? See, whatever quotient is there that you will write here, 16 is the quotient, correct? Then remainder divided by divisor you will write in this way. That's it. This is your answer. 3 hour 16, 4 by 11 minutes. Option A is the correct one. Okay. Fifth question on your screen and your timer starts now. When will be an angle of 0 degree be formed between 10 and 11? Time up. Formula is here. What is the formula? 60 divided by 11 into times. First time you need to take, that is 10. So I'll take 10. So it is 600 divided by 11. 600 divided by 11. 11 fives are 55. Correct? So it will be 50. Then 11 fours are 44. So here 6 will come. Answer will be 10 hour. Okay. Then 54 is the quotient that you're getting. You'll write here. 6 is the remainder. Divide by divisor. This will be the answer. So correct option is B. Is the correct option. Fourth type is opposite angle or 180 degree. Opposite angle or 180 degree. So here in 1 hour, when 180 degree is formed in a clock, 1 hour, 1 time it will be formed. Then in 12 hour, 11 times it will be formed, and in 24 hour, 22 times it will be formed. So when 180 degree will be formed in a clock, if you see correctly at 6, minute hand will be at 12, hour hand will be at 6. So in this case, an 180 degree angle is formed in a clock. So at 6 o'clock, 180 degree angle is formed in a clock. Okay. From 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 180 degree angle is not formed. This is also very important that you need to remember. From 5 to 6 o'clock, 180 degree angle is not formed. So So in case of opposite angle or 180-degree angle, in 1 hour, 180-degree angle is formed one time. In 12 hour, 180-degree angle is formed 11 times. And in 24 hour, 180-degree angle is formed 22 times. So sharp at 6 o'clock, you will see a 180-degree angle formed on a clock. From 5 to 6 o'clock, 180-degree angle cannot be formed. These things you need to remember. Formula remains the same here. That is 60 divided by 11 into time. This formula is used when the question is asked when an angle of 180-degree angle is formed between these times. Okay. Sixth question on your screen and your timer starts now. How many times an angle of 180-degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 1 to 6? How many times an angle they have said now? You know that in 1 hour, in 1 hour, in 1 hour, one time 180-degree angle is formed. Correct? Another thing you need to remember, from 5 to 6 o'clock, 180-degree angle is not formed. Correct? Now they have said to 1 to 6 o'clock, how many times an angle of 180-degree be formed? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, one time. Now from 5 to 6, 180-degree angle is not formed. So what will be the answer? It will be 4. A is the correct option. Seventh question on your screen and your time starts now. How many times an angle of 180-degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 1 to 8? Seventh question. Time up. 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to 2, one time. 2 to 3, one time. Similarly, like this. But from 5 to 6, 180-degree is not formed. Then from 6 to 7, one time. 7 to 8, one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer will be 6. That is option A. Eighth question on your screen and your timer starts now. When will an angle of 180-degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 7 and 8? When will an angle of 180-degree they have asked here? So what do you think? Formula remains the same, that is 60 divided by 11 into time. Now, in 0-degree angle, what we used to do, if they say from 7 to 8, what is the 0-degree angle? We used to use this formula, same formula, into time. Instead of time, we need to substitute the first time, that is 7. Correct? Here also we will do the same thing. But something else you need to remember here in case of 180-degree. That is, if the time is less than 6, then add 6 to the first time. If the time is more than 6, then subtract 6 from the first time. Understanding? You need to always focus on the first time. Now, this 7 is greater than 6. Correct? So, if the first time is greater than 6 or more than 6, then you need to subtract 6 from the first time. Correct? So, what will happen here? 7 is greater than 6, correct? 7 is greater than 6. So what I will do? 7 to 8 is there. Formula is 60 divided by 11 into 7 I will substitute. 7 is greater than 6. So I need to therefore subtract the first time from 6. 7 minus 6 will be 1. So this 1 I will substitute here in place of 7. It will be 60 divided by 11. 60 divided by 11 will be 7 hours. First time you need to write as it is. Then 60 divided by 11 just now we solved. Correct? So this will be the answer. 7, 5 divided by 11 minutes. A is the correct option. Understanding? So here same formula you will use. But first time only you need to compare always. Now, first time is less than 6, you need to add 6 to the first time. If the first time is more than 6, then you need to subtract 6 from the first time. Now, in this case, 7 and 8 was there. 7 was greater than 6, correct? So that's why we subtracted 7 from 6. Okay? And whatever answer you get, that you need to substitute in time. Understanding? Now, in case if there was 1 and 2, suppose 1 first time is less than 6, correct? If it is less than 6, you need to add 6 to the first time. 1 plus 6 you will do, that will be 7. And this 7 you will substitute in place of 1. So 7 will come here. That's it. Understanding? Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. Here 1 and 2 is asked. See. 1 and 2 is asked. So 1 is less than 6, correct? So you need to add 6. 60 divided by 11 into time. So now 1 and 2 is given, correct? So 1 is less than 6. Therefore, I'll add 1 to 6. So it will be 7. This 7 you need to substitute in place of time. 60 divided by 11 into 7 I will do. So it will be 420 divided by 11. Now 420 divided by 11 when I do, 11 threes are 33, correct? So you will get 90. Then 11 8 the 88 and you are getting remainder as 2, correct? So how you will write this? 420 divided by 11. The first time hour is 1 hour. Minute you will write. First what will come? Quotient will come, that is 38. Then remainder comes 2 divided by divisor, that is 11. So this will be your answer. So which is the correct answer here? A is the correct option. Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. 180-degree angle be formed between the hands of the clock between 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Okay? 9 and 10. 9 is greater than 6. So what you need to do? Subtract 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is nothing but 3. Correct? Now you have to substitute that in place of time. 60 divided by 11 into time. Instead of time, you substitute 3. That is 180 divided by 11. 180 divided by 11 we have already solved, correct? So it is 9 hour. 9 hour first. Then minutes, it will be 16. 4 by 11. This is your answer. That is option A. And the last type related to clock will be right angle or 90-degree angle. Okay. So in 1 hour, 90-degree angle is formed two times. Two times. When is that? Two times it is formed. One is from 2 to 3 o'clock and second one is 8 to 9 o'clock. So this two times, that's why in 1 hour 90-degree is formed two times. That is from 2 to 3 o'clock and 8 to 9 o'clock. In 12 hour 22 times it is formed. And in 24 hour, the double of that, 44 times it will be formed. Okay, so from 2 to 3 and 8 to 9, 90-degree angle is formed. So that's why in 1 hour, two time it is formed. If you see 0-degree angle, in 1 hour, only one time it is formed. Even 180-degree angle, in 1 hour, one time it is formed. But only the right angle or the 90-degree angle, it will be formed two times in 1 hour. Understanding? That you need to remember. Question on your screen and your time starts now. When will an angle of 90-degree be formed between the hands of the clock between 5 and 6? Here, how to solve this? Here, see, formula is the same, 60 divided by 11 into time. So, what time you need to take? The first time, obviously. But here, you need to add 3 to the first time and then subtract 3 from the first time. So, two things you need to do here. First, you need to add plus 3 to the first time. And second, you need to subtract 3 from the first time. First time is 5. Okay. Now, you will say why only you need to subtract 3 from the first time and why you need to subtract minus 3 from the first time. Because if you see in a clock, okay, this is the clock suppose. Now, right angle triangle can be formed here, suppose. My minute hand is like this and your hour hand is at 3, suppose. Okay. So from 12 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. A right angle is formed here. Correct? So how many hour we need to go to reach till 3? 12 to 1, 1. 1 to 2, 2. 2 to 3, 3. Correct? So it will be 1, 2, 3. So that's why we add 3 and subtract 3 to the first time. That's how plus 3 and minus 3 comes in case of right angle. Now, if you say how plus 6 and minus 6 comes in case of 180-degree angle, 180-degree angle is formed at 6 o'clock, correct? I had said that. So this is suppose now 180-degree angle is formed here, correct? So here see 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So here 6 times, correct? 6 times it is. From 12 to 6, the time it takes to travel is 6, correct? So that's why we did plus 6 and minus 6, correct there? That is how 6 came into picture. And here in case of right angle or 90-degree angle, we need to do plus 3 and minus 3. Understanding? Explained it because a question might arise. Why only plus 3? Why only minus 3 in case of 90 degree? And why only plus 6, minus 6 in case of 180 degree? Okay. I hope you understood it now. So coming back to the question, 5 to 6, when will be an angle of 90 degree be formed, they have said. So first, you need to do plus 3 for the first time. So 60 divided by 11 into time. So 5 plus 3 you need to do. 8 will come, correct? So 8 you will substitute here. So it will be 480 divided by 11. That is how much? 5 hour, correct? 43. 7 by 11 will be the answer. Now, next, minus 3 you need to do. 5 minus 3 I will do. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will give you 2. So it will be 60 divided by 11 into 2. That comes to 120 divided by 11. And that will be 5 hour 10, 10 by 11 minutes. So here you have 2 times. Correct? But first time, if they ask what will be the first time, suppose, then first time will be 5 hour 10, 10 by 11 minutes. And if they ask what will be the second time in this case, then it will be 5 hour 43, 7 by 11 minutes. Okay? If they don't ask, then both the options will be given to you. You need to tick that option. Okay? Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. 6 and 7. When will be an angle of 90 degree be formed? 6 plus 3 I will do here and 6 minus 3. 6 plus 3 will be 9. 6 minus 3 will be 3. Because first time you need to take, first you need to add 3 and first time you need to take subtract 3. Okay. So when you add 6 plus 3 you get 9. So it will be 60 divided by 11 into 9. It will give you 540 divided by 11. That comes to 6 hour. Then 49. 1 by 11 minutes. Then if you solve this, it is 60 divided by 11 into 3. That gives you 180 divided by 11. 180 divided by 11 is 6 hours. The first time, that is 6 hours, and minutes it will be 16, 4 by 11 minutes. So the first time will be this one and the second time will be this one. Okay, because 16 will come first, right? That's why this will be the first time, and 49 comes afterwards, second time. If they give both the options in the options available, then you need to take both the options. Okay, if they ask what is the first time, then first time will be this one, second time will be this one. Okay. Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. First time you will add plus 3 to the first time, 1 plus 3. And here, how we will do 1 minus 3? How we will do 1 minus 3? Simple. 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 you have. So minus 3 you need to do. Now it is at 1 o'clock, correct? So from 1 you go backwards, minus 3 in a clock, anti-clockwise you'll go. So from 1 to 12, this will be 1 hour. Okay, minus 3 you need to do. Correct? So minus 1 will come to 12. 12 to 11 minus 2. Then 11 to 10, it will be minus 3. So 10 will be the answer. So answer will be 10. Okay, 10 you need to substitute in place of time. Otherwise, other thing can be 1 means what? 1 means also 1 means also what? 1 means also 13. Correct? 13 minus 3 you need to do, which will give you 10. Either this way you can use or this way you can use. Correct? So 10 you need to substitute. I hope you understood. 1 plus 3 will be 4. Correct? 60 divided by 11 into 4 you will do. So it will come to 240 divided by 11. Answer will be 1 hour, 21, 9 by 11 minutes. Then here in this case you will substitute 10. That is 600 divided by 11. So it will come to 1 hour, 54, 6 by 11 minutes. So here in this case, the first time is this one and the second time is this one. Okay. I hope you got how you got 10 here because 1 minus 3 if you do, it will go in negative. Correct. So how in terms of a clock minus 3 means? Minus 3 means in case of a clock. So here is 1, this is 12, 11, 10, 9. Correct? 1 is here. 1 to 12 minus 3 you need to do. So 1 to 12 will be minus 1, 12 to 11 will be minus 2, 11 to 10 will be minus 3. So at 10 you need to, that's why 10 you need to substitute. Understanding? The other alternative can be 1 means what? 1 means 13, correct? So 13 minus 3 you can do. That will also give you 10. Okay? From here onwards, all mixed type of questions, whatever we have learned till now, I have put up all the questions like that. So here's the question and your timer starts now. At what time between 6 and 7 o'clock will be the hands of a clock coincide? They have not directly asked what an angle will be formed between 6 and 7 o'clock at 0 degree angle, but they have used the word coincide. They can also use the word overlap. Okay? Means you need to find out the 0 degree angle between 6 and 7 o'clock. So what is the answer for that? What is the answer? It will be 60 divided by 11 into time. Correct? 60 divided by 11 into time. First time you need to take, that is 6. Correct? So 360 divided by 11 you will do. So 360 divided by 11 will be 11 3s are 33. Correct? So it comes to 30. 11 2s are 22. And here you have 8. So how you will write this in terms of minutes? So it will be 6 hours, that is the first type. And in terms of minutes, how you will write this? First you will write the quotient, that is 32. Then the remainder divided by divisor, that is 11. So this will be your answer, that is 6 hours 32, 8 by 11 minutes. Option A is the correct one. Coincide, or they can ask overlap, or it is 0 degree angle. Okay. Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. After 9 o'clock, at what time will be the hour and minute hands of a clock be in opposite directions to each other between 9 and 10 o'clock. So here what they have asked, they are not directly asked 180-degree angle. They have asked the opposite directions. So it is one and the same. Opposite directions means it is 180-degree angle is asked between 9 and 10 o'clock. So here 60 divided by 11 into time you will take. Now here in case of 180-degree angle, if the first time is greater than 6, then you need to subtract, correct? So 9 minus 6 will give you 3. This 3 you need to substitute here. 60 divided by 11 into 3, that comes to 180 divided by 11. So it will be 9 hour. 180 divided by 11 we have already solved. That is 16 minutes 4 by 11 minutes. Correct? So C is the correct option. What will be the angle between the two hands of a clock at 8:30 p.m. and your timer starts now? This type of we have already solved in the previous class. This is angle based question. Time up 8:30, correct? What they have said 8:30 p.m. One thing you need to remember that internal angle plus external angle is equal to 360-degree. One thing. Second thing, external angle should be always greater than 180-degree. Internal angle should be less than 180-degree. Okay, this thing you need to remember. Now, external angle is not asked. What will be the angle they have asked? Correct? So, whatever angle comes as the answer, it should be less than 180-degree. Otherwise, what you need to do? You need to subtract it from 360-degree. Okay, so we will solve 8:30 p.m. they have said, correct? 8:30 p.m. they have said. What is the formula? 11 by 2 into minutes minus 30 into hours. 11 by 2 into minutes is 30 minus 30 into hours is 8. So what will be the answer here? 2 ones are 15 da. So 11 into 15 is 165 minus it will be 240. Answer cannot be negative, so it will be 75 degree. 75 degree is the right one. B is the correct option, 75 degree. Now internal angle is 75 degree, which is less than 180 degree. So answer is as it is, 75 degree. Okay. Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. Looking in a mirror shows that the time is 2:30 at an analog clock. Then what is the correct time? Here mirror image is asked. You know how to solve mirror image, correct? Mirror image. How you will solve mirror image? Mirror image formula is 1160 minus the real time, correct? So here what you need to do 1160 minus 230 you need to do. That's it. So here the answer will be 9 hours 30 minutes. So correct answer is 9:30. Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. What will be the water image at 2:55? What is the formula to solve water image? Water image formula is 1830 minus the real time. Correct? You know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This you need to remember. Correct? So here 255 we need to remove. Do you think from 1830 we can subtract 255? Is it possible? No. So what you need to do in that case? What I told you? You need to borrow. Correct? So when minute will borrow from the hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Correct? So it will borrow 1 hour to this, to minute side. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 30, already minute is there, that is as 30. Correct? But 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, you know that. So plus 60 you need to add. So it will give you 90, and 1 hour you're borrowing from the hour to minute. So it will come what? 1790 minus you need to do 255. Now you can subtract. So that will come to 1535. Now 15 means what? 3. Correct? But 1535 already direct it is given. So A is the correct option. But if they give 335 instead of 1535, they give 335 as the answer in the option. This will be correct because 15 means what? 3. Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. When the minute hand covers a distance of 20 minutes, then what was the angle made by it? This is the degree based question. 20 minutes they have said, right? So this is 12, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? More like this 20 minute. And you know that 60 minute is equal to 360 degree. Correct? 1 minute will be 6 degree. This we have learned. Right? 60 minute is equal to 360 degree. 1 minute will be 6 degree. So how much 20 minute will make then? What degree the 20 minute will make? They have asked. 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. 20 minutes will be what? It will be 20 into 6. That will come to 120 degree. 120 degrees the right option. That is C is the right option. Understanding? Next type of question on your screen and your time starts now. Try to solve it. This is very important. This type of questions are usually seen. It is 3:30 on a clock. If the minute hand is towards the northeast, then in which direction will the hour hand be? So to solve this question, you need to know direction and distance topic very well. And we have already covered direction and distance topic. Correct? So try to solve it. In this case, how you need to solve this? You need to know only direction and distance. That's it. Properly. This is north. This is south. This is west. This is east. So this will be northeast. This will be northwest. This will be southwest. This will be southeast. And you know that from north to northeast, it is a 45-degree angle. From northeast to southeast, it will be 45-degree angle. So each direction here makes an angle of 45 degree, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Correct? That you need to know. 45-degree angle it makes. 45-degree angle. This is very important. Now what they have said that on a clock, correct, it is 3:30. On a clock, it is 3:30. So 3 is here and 6 here is here. 3:30 means our hand will be slightly shifted from 3 and nearer to 4, and minute hand will be at 6. Correct? That is what 3:30 is. So that means in which direction the hour hand and minute hand is now when it is 3:30. Hour hand will be at southeast. Correct? This is the direction, southeast. And minute hand will be at south initially. Now what they have said, if the minute hand is towards northeast, then in which direction will the hour hand be? If the minute hand is towards northeast, minute hand is towards northeast. So minute hand was initially placed towards the south. But now south, instead of south, they are saying that it is facing northeast. Correct? Northeast. So, how we will solve this? So, if it is northeast, so minute hand, just focus on minute hand. Okay, just focus on minute hand. Now you need to, instead of south, it is facing what? Northeast, it is saying. Now, instead of south, it is facing northeast. Then in which direction our hand will be? They have asked. So, minute hand, only focus on minute hand. Now, initially it was towards south. Now we need to go to what? Northeast. Correct? So, each angle makes 45-degree here. So, from south, if you go in the anti-clockwise direction, from south to southeast, it will make an angle of 45-degree. Again, from southeast to east, if we go, it makes an angle of 45-degree. Then from east to northeast, it will make an angle of 45-degree. Now we reach from south to northeast by how much angle? 45, 45 plus 45. How much it will be? 135-degree. In anti-clockwise direction we move. Correct? Now same way we need to do for the hour hand, and then we'll get the answer. Initially, the hour hand was at southeast, correct? Southeast. Now we need to make 135-degree angle in anti-clockwise direction. So from southeast, we'll make 45-degree angle again, correct? I will show in this here, okay? It will make 45-degree angle till east. Anti-clockwise direction only we need to go, because for minute hand also we went in anti-clockwise direction. Same way we will do for the hour hand. From east to northeast, it will be 45-degree angle. We need to move how much? 135-degree angle, correct? Now 45 plus 45 will be 90. Now northeast to north we will go, which is also 45-degree angle. So total it will be 135-degree angle. So where we reached? We reached north. Correct? So answer should be north. Okay? Answer should be north. These options are wrong. Okay? These options are wrong. Answer should be north. North is the correct answer. Our hand will be facing in north direction. Understanding how to solve this? Same type of question, and your time starts now. The clock is showing 7:30. If the minute hand is pointing west, which direction will be the hour hand be pointing? How to solve this? Here you have the directions. This is north, this is south, west, east, northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Correct? Now, what is the time they are saying? Time is what? They are saying time is 7:30. So if I place 9 here, 8 and 7 and 6 here. So my hour hand will be at 7 and my minute hand will be at 6. Correct? So in which direction they are facing now? 7 is facing in which direction do you think? 7 will be facing in southwest direction and minute hand is facing in south direction initially. Okay, 7 is facing at, that is hour hand is facing at southwest, minute hand is facing at south because it is 7:30 on a clock they have said. Initially, the minute hand is facing south, the hour hand is facing southwest. Minute hand information is given to you and hour hand they have asked to find out. If the minute hand is pointing west, they are saying. If the minute hand is facing west, now minute hand was facing what initially? South. And they are saying now the minute hand is pointing towards which direction? West. So what you need to do? From south we need to go to west. Okay. Now we'll go from south to west. South to southwest I reach 45-degree angle. Okay. Clockwise direction I'm going now. Then southwest to west. This is again 45-degree angle. So I reached west. So how much time angle I made? 90-degree angle in the clockwise direction. This was about the minute hand. Now they have asked to find out about the hour hand. Hour hand was initially facing southwest. Correct? Same way you need to do for hour hand. Southwest. Correct? So from southwest, I need to move 90-degree in clockwise direction because minute hand we moved 90-degree in clockwise direction to reach west. Correct? Same thing we will do for hour hand. Southwest to west I will go. That makes 45-degree. Then from west to northwest I will go, which will make 45-degree. So total it is making how much? 90-degree in clockwise direction. So where I reached? North, west. So answer is what? North, west. B is the correct option. So in order to solve this question, you need to thoroughly know the topic of direction and distance, which we have already covered. Okay. So it should not be a big problem to solve this question. Last question on your screen and your timer starts now. Try to solve it. 8:10 is the time. Minute hand is asked or hour hand is asked. Check properly. Okay. What is asked? 8:10 is the time. Correct? 8:10 is the time. If the hour hand is pointing southeast. Now here the hour hand is given southeast. Then which direction will be the minute hand be pointing? Minute hand is asked here. Same thing, but Minute hand is asked here. That's right, correct? So here 8, 10. This is 9, this is 8, and this is 12, 1, 2. Correct? So 8, 10 means our hand will be at what? 8. And minute hand will be at 2. So which direction? Initially the hour hand and minute hand are minute hand. Minute hand will be at north east direction. Hour hand will be at south west direction. Correct? Now what information they have given? Hour hand information they have given. Correct? If the hour hand is pointing towards southeast. So from southwest we need to go to southeast. It's a long journey, but we will go. So southwest is here. Initially the hour hand is at southwest and we need to travel to southeast. So how you will go? So if I go in the clockwise direction, it will be a long way, correct? But if I go in the anti-clockwise direction from southwest to southeast, so from southwest, I'll go to south, that is 45 degree. Then from south to southeast, I will go, which is 45 degree. So total will be 90 degree, correct? Now minute hand is initially pointing towards what? Northeast, correct? Northeast it is pointing initially. Now 90 degree anti-clockwise direction we need to go and we'll get the answer. So from northeast I'll go to north, which is 45 degree. Then north to northwest I will come, which is 45 degree, which total makes 90 degree angle in anti-clockwise direction. So where we reach now? Northwest. So answer is the minute hand will be pointing towards northwest. Correct option is B, that is northwest. In any way you can solve, you will get northwest as the answer only. From our hand, we went in anti-clockwise direction to southeast. If you want, you can go in clockwise direction also, but it will be a long process to reach southeast. Instead of that, if you move in anti-clockwise direction, it will be easier and time saver also. Okay. Thank you, students. That's the end of the clock topic. All the types of questions we have seen and we have solved. Other than this type of questions, you can expect, but other than this, I have not seen any type of question appearing in the exam. I have covered all types of questions which have been appeared in the exams. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and do share my channel to your family and friends. Keep smiling. Bye, students.